Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Prism, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with Prism, first, download the Prism app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and create an account. You can sign up using your email address or connect via Facebook or Google. After signing in, grant the app access to your financial accounts for tracking. To add an account, tap on the Accounts tab and select Add Account. Choose your bank or financial institution from the list. Follow the prompts to enter your login information securely. Once your accounts are linked, you will see your balances and transactions displayed. Next, navigate to the Budget section. Here, you can set financial goals by entering your expected income and expenses. Categorize your expenses for better tracking, such as rent, utilities, and groceries. Prism allows you to set limits for each category to help manage your spending. Review your budget regularly to ensure you're staying on track. Use the Insights feature to analyze your spending habits. This will help you identify areas where you might cut back. You can also set up alerts to notify you of upcoming bills. To do this, go to the Bills section and add your due dates. Prism will remind you when payments are due, ensuring you never miss a bill. As you spend, make sure to update your transactions in the app. This real-time tracking keeps your budget accurate and reliable. Remember to check your budget daily for the best results. Adjust your budget as necessary when your financial situation changes. For additional support, visit Prism's Help Center or community forums. This comprehensive approach will empower you to take control of your finances with Prism. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.